In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall plugins in Claude Code CLI. If you've installed a plugin you no longer need, or you're troubleshooting an issue and want to clean things up, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it safely and confidently. Start by opening your terminal. This can be any standard terminal app on your system. Once it's open, type Claude and press Enter. That command launches the Claude Code command line interface, which is where we'll manage plugins. Next, type on plugin and press Enter. This opens the plugin management view. Here you'll see sections like Discover, Installed, Marketplace, and Errors. Because we're focusing on uninstalling, we're going straight to the Installed section. Use the left and right arrow keys to move over to Installed. When Installed is selected, you'll see a list of every plugin currently added to your Claude Code environment. Use the up and down arrow keys to highlight the plugin you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several with similar names. When you're sure, press Enter. A small menu will appear with options such as Disable Plugin, Mark for Update, Update Now, Uninstall, and Back to Plugin List. Here's a quick tip to avoid confusion. Disabling a plugin simply turns it off temporarily, while Uninstall removes it completely from your setup. Since we're removing it, select Uninstall and press Enter. The CLI will proceed to uninstall that plugin. You'll typically notice that it disappears from the installed list, which is your confirmation that the process completed. If you're cleaning up multiple plugins, repeat the same process. Use the arrow keys to pick the next plugin, press Enter, choose Uninstall, and confirm that it's gone from the list. If at any point you change your mind, choose Back to Plugin List instead of Uninstall to return without making changes. After you finish making changes, it's a good idea to refresh the plugin environment. To do that, type #reload plugins and press Enter. This reloads the plugin system so Claude Code picks up the latest state, making sure everything runs smoothly with your updated setup. That's it. Open your terminal, run Claude, go to Plugins, switch to Installed, select the plugin you want, choose Uninstall, and then reload plugins to refresh. With this simple flow, you can keep your environment clean, fast, and only running the tools you actually need.